Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature along with other safety related videos and leadership training videos. And remember, if you find this information useful or helpful, make sure you share it with your coworkers and colleagues. Well, let's go ahead and get started with this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, we've been concentrating on ergonomics this past month, and it became blaringly or painfully obvious to me the importance of ergonomics. I've had to have several shots in my back this past week due to pain, and I know it's chronic, and I know it's for things that I did as a young man, everything from changing truck tires to messing around with Chevy motors to all kinds of things, jumping off of equipment, jumping off of docks, and all this stuff over time has an effect on the body. So if you're in your 20s or 30s and you're starting your working career, make sure that you use your body properly and don't lift things that are too heavy. And if you do, and when you do lift things, make sure you're using the proper lifting techniques. You'll be grateful for that as you get older in life. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the recap, the Toolbox safety topic video. This week's topic is on care for your half-mask air purifying respirator. Your half-mask air purifying respirator provides protection against breathing of airborne contaminants. Your employer is responsible for the respiratory program, which includes providing you with the proper type of and training for the respirator for the given exposure. You and your employer share responsibility for making certain that your respirator is functioning as intended for your protection. The following is a list of general rules to help you care for and maintain your respirator. Number 1, the disposable filter cartridge usually contains a chemical absorbent to trap contaminants. The filter cartridge should be replaced immediately if it becomes more difficult to inhale. It should also be changed if you begin to smell or taste the contaminant. Number 2, you should thoroughly inspect your respirator on a daily or before each usage. Examine the elastic band or bands to ensure that it has not lost its elasticity. Also check the headband for tears, frays, and loose strands. Take the cartridges off and examine the cartridge housing to make certain it's not cracked. Check the cartridge threads to ensure they are not stripped or damaged in any way. Check the facepiece for tears, cuts, or holes. Inspect the exhaust valve and intake valve to make certain they are not sticking or damaged. Number 3, clean your respirator after each use. The cleaning process usually consists of washing, disinfecting, rinsing, and drying. You should refer to the manufacturer's suggestion for specifics. Most face pieces can be washed with warm water. Disinfecting with a disinfectant cleaner or germicidal detergent is a commonly acceptable practice. Rinsing should be done with water. Air drying is usually preferred as towel drying or heated quick drying may cause damage. Number 4, it is important to store your respirator properly. Your respirator should be protected from heat, sunlight, dust, and vapor contaminants. Storage in a sealed plastic bag is the preferred practice. Be careful not to cram the respirator in a tight space or store it in an awkward position, as both of these practices may warp the respirator permanently and alter the fit. And number 5, do a fit check often to make certain that you have a good seal. This can be done by covering the exhalation valve with your hand and gently exhaling into the facepiece. If air leaks out during the gentle exhaling, the seal in the facepiece should be checked by your respiratory program administrator. Remember, if you take good care of your respirator, it will take good care of you. All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's toolbox safety topic. Now remember, this is just a basic for care of the respirator. There's a whole lot of training that is involved with that. You must be pulmonary fit tested, pulmonary physical, and fit tested prior to using a respirator. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, along with other safety-related videos and leadership training videos. And remember to share it if you find this information useful or helpful with your colleagues and co-workers. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day. And remember, I will see you in the field. All right, I flubbed that up a couple times. I may edit it down. Anyway, if you watch to the very, very end, I'll drop in a couple of those things that I've been dropping in at the end of all these videos, and you can leave a comment. And as always, if you have any kind of question concerning safety or leadership or anything like that, feel free to leave me a question in the comments, and I'll get back to you either with a video or a personal comment on the message system. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a grateful day, and I will see you in the field. Let's see, stop recording.